Hello viewer, how to why I use the FastPanel. FastPanel is working fine. This here, the 0% loading, and for out of this website we have maintained. There is many website we have added. So when you go there, no, 31 website I have installed, and 31 website is running, but is still 0%, 01 loading, 0 loading. This website you can check that this is my live dashboard where that is loading is very 0, and you can say this FastPanel you can use for your 0 cost and costless, and it is getting a statistic. The CPU load is very low. This is not an Virgo is 100%, and disk uses also here. This is under 20 GB and total 100 GB, and memory use this here. You can only under 2 GB, the 8 GB RAM you are using, only 2 GB, under 2 GB. Okay, that's why I am using this FastPanel. For my application is easy to handle. Everything I can handle easily as a VPS server, and to maintain your website you can use this. You can easily install the FastPanel. You can easily management this domain, this DNS and mail, how many IP management, everything you can handle everything easily. And their setting is also services, mail, confirm, about everything is here. You can use this, and you can use the knowledge base, the FastPanel. You can getting help from easily. What you need to search, you can search here. You can use her website, everything you can get here. I hope you will be handling. If you face any issue in the FastPanel control, you can knock me from my contact from the description. I will help you the best and try to use this website. I hope you can enjoy using FastPanel. Thank you.